Hello everyone, welcome back. I made a 12 pack of animated backgrounds. The free preset will be in the description below. When you load them, they're in the generator. Just look for SDS backgrounds. And you'll have all 12 of them right here. You can modify all of them. You can do a lot with all of them. I'm not going to spend a lot of time showing all that because I'll be here about an hour. I'll let you guys figure it out. I'll probably point out a few things as we go, but I'm just going to give it a play. You can see what they are. For instance, this one here, the discontinuous and the invert makes quite a difference. If you sheath rate, that's the amount of speed, how much movement you want. And you can stretch all these out as long as you want, and they'll keep on animating through. Now, if you want this transparent, so you put something behind it, there's a few of them in here like that. Just take the alpha all the way down. And the black area will be transparent. Here you have some options. The gradient, you just click on a little diamond and make it whatever color you want. And pretty much all these, you can change the color of them. And the seed rate. A few of these have a flip button on them. So you go a different direction. Some have mirror. Some of these also, if you click on them, go to gradient type. Got radial, cross, and angle. Same thing with these. Make them whatever color you want. Flip them. And the last one, once again, you change some of these. Go back to a square, but then offset. Like I said, you can stretch them all. Flip it. Don't forget, the free preset is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.